I was showing this trick the other day with the how to cut the weatherboards off my building. And I started showing people and I noticed I was getting this terrible flickering on my building. And I couldn't figure out what it was. But I managed to figure out it's actually some changes I made to my shading options here. So if I look at my shading options, I changed the threshold to one degree. So 1 degree change and it starts to show the lines, and it really seemed to upset it. So let's make that 2 degrees, and suddenly it made it all better. But you'll notice that the wall behind, it's still got that. So the walls inside the building still have that shaded, that's that sort of affectation. So let's make it 5 degrees. I got rid of that shading in the background, or that stuff in the background. You can see it's all working well. And so, but it also gives me these really crisp lines that I was having trouble with in my earlier shaded model. So I got the real crispness that I like, plus I got rid of that funny nature that was going on there. So that would be my solution. Hey, thanks for watching. Just a short one. I just wanted to show you how you could fix that if it comes up.